Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making vegetable handi today. It has a unique flavor because it will be cooked in a clay pot which is called handi in Urdu. To make masala of handi, we need tomato 1 without seeds, sliced onion 1 medium size, water 1 cup, red chili powder half teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1/4 teaspoon, pomegranate seed powder 1/4 teaspoon which is anardana in Urdu, garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1/3 cup. Let me tell you about vegetables now. Make cubes of 2 medium-sized potatoes. Take half of each green, red and orange bell pepper to make cubes. 2 green chilies whole. 1 carrot make cubes. Half cup of green peas. You can use vegetables of your own choice. Let me start making yummy vegetable handi with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In handi add water and turn on the flame. Then add onion, tomatoes, olive oil, turmeric, salt, cumin seeds and cumin powder, red chili powder, cayenne pepper and anardana. Mix them and let them boil on high flame. It will start boiling after 5 minutes. Keep the flame medium low and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, keep the flame high and make it thick. It will take 7 minutes to thicken up. Now add vegetables in it. Mix them and keep the flame medium low to cook them for 22 minutes. They already look so colorful and delicious, mashallah. So let them cook for 22 minutes on medium low flame. After 22 minutes, vegetable handi is almost cooked. Keep the flame high for 2 minutes. Then turn off the flame. Add garam masala powder. Mix it. Garnish it with cilantro leaves. Cover it for 10 seconds to get aroma of cilantro leaves. Then enjoy with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious vegetable handi is ready. Enjoy it with boiled rice, roti or naan. And share recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram, also on Facebook. Allah Hafiz.